In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Uber Eats discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Uber Eats discount promo code. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have a list with different promo codes that can get us some discounts. For example, if you want to get this $20 discount on your next purchase, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is your discount code that you can use and copy it right here and apply on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com right here. And as you can see, we have other promo codes that you can use. For example, right here, if I want to get this $10 discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here, and I can copy this code and use it on my next purchase in order to get this $10 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.